tayo ng math-aral. Sa math, walang maiiwan. Math-sayang math-aral tayo ng math-tuto, upang di kayo masenso. Maging matyaga, maging matalino, halina math-aral na tayo. Maging matyaga, maging matalino, halina math-aral na tayo. Halina math-aral na tayo. Halina math-aral na tayo. Halina, 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 math-aral na tayo.
Isang math-sayang araw sa ating lahat. I'm Sir Mari de la Cruz of Highway Hills Integrated School, and I will be your today's moderator for this episode, Quarter 3, Week 6. I would like everyone to invite you to our Project SOAR, a series of online academic reviews for mathematics grade learning. Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Officer in Charge, Office of the Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Romela and Cruz. To our Officer in Charge, Office of the Assistant School Division Superintendent, Dr. Aurelio G. Alfonso. The Chief Education Supervisor of Curriculum Implementation Division, Dr. Aline G. Mendoza. To the Chief Education Supervisor of School Governance and Operations Division, Mrs. Emma G. Aguilio. To the advocate of this project, our Education Program Supervisor, Mr. Restituto Aerodelas. Officials of School Division Office, City of Mandaluyong. To the Principal of Highway Hills Integrated School, Dr. Efren S. Consimino. Mga Batang MANDunong, home learning partners, live viewers, isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag kalilimutan mag-like at follow sa ating Facebook page, Math-tuto, Mathematics Teachers Association of Mandaluyong, at mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, MTM channel, upang laging maging updated sa ating mga bagong review at advanced lesson sisiknahin. At this point, to express his support in this endeavor, let us hear the message of Highway Hills Integrated School Principal, our very own Hansa and incredible Dr. Efren S. Consimino.
SDO officials headed by Dr. Romela and Cruz, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent and Officer in Charge, Office of the Schools Division Superintendent, Mr. Restituto Aerodelas, Education Program Supervisor in Mathematics, who is also the brain behind Project SOAR, Ms. Joanne Sugala, Assistant to the Principal for Senior High School, Mrs. Norieta Obaldo, Assistant to the Principal for Junior High School, Mrs. Digna Chodoro, Assistant to the Principal for Elementary, head teachers, parents, learners, and all other stakeholders who may be watching us today. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Well, school year 2020-2021 will end barely 3 months from now. Though we have successfully hurdled the first 2 grading periods, we cannot deny the fact that we are still struggling even up to this time. With that in mind, Highway Hills Integrated School once again participates in a series of online academic reviews in mathematics in order to somehow help those learners who have difficulty in dealing with mathematics understand math lessons. While it is true that teachers of Highway Hills Integrated School are also preoccupied with so many school-related activities that include preparation of their daily lessons and checking of outputs of their learners, the desire, however, of these teachers to contribute even in a little way in addressing the academic concerns of our learners remains their top priority. As such, I would like to acknowledge the invaluable contribution of the following men and women of Highway Hills Integrated School, who will be part of the third grading series of online academic reviews specifically for Week 6 lessons. Mrs. Jeannette Ricones, Grade 7 teacher. Mrs. Erin Bunal, Grade 8 teacher. Mr. Donato Trinidad Jr., Grade 9 teacher. Mrs. Sonia Daganyo, Grade 10 teacher. Miss Florence Nadua and Mr. Reynaldo Collado Jr., senior high school teachers. As your school head, I am so proud of you for your unselfish contribution in making Project SOAR a successful one. Sa aming mga mag-aaral, konting sipag at tiyaga na lamang at matatapos na din tayo sa taong panuruang ito. Hindi po dahilan ang pandemya para hindi kayo matututo. Gaano man kahirap ang sitwasyon, lagi niyong tatandaan na nandyan ang inyong mga guro na laging handang tumulong sa inyo. Sa mga magulang na nagsisilbing home learning facilitators, palagi niyo pong gabayan ang inyong mga anak upang lalo silang matututo sa kanilang mga aralin. Kung sakali kayo po ay nahihirapan sa math, sabayan niyo po ang inyong mga anak na panoorin itong aming online review upang kayo din po ay matututo at kalaunan ay matulungan ninyo ang inyong mga anak sa kanilang pag-aaral ng matematika. The situation may be challenging and stressful, but if we work together, we can certainly make things easier. Muli, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Highway Hills Integrated School as one family, let us continue shining as one.
Thank you very much, Dr. Consolino, for your words of support to Project SOAR. Truly, we shine as one. To start our discussion, let me introduce our first speaker. She is a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, majored in Mathematics at Rizal Technological University in 2003. She has also completed academic requirements in Master of Arts, majored in Mathematics. She worked 3 years in private school and 12 years in public school at Highway Hills Integrated School. Let us welcome a grade 7 teacher, Ma'am Jeanneth G. Ricones.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Murray. Magandang araw mga batang mandunong at sa ating mga home learning partner. Welcome to Project SOAR Quarter 3 Week 6. I am Teacher Jen of Highway Hills Integrated School. Bago tayo magsimula, ihanda ang ating tablet, ang ating CLAID module, ballpen at papel.
Before we proceed, let us have first our objectives. Define polygons. Illustrate polygons according to its convexity, angles, and sides. Let us first define polygons. A polygon is a closed plane figure with 3 or more sides, all straight lines, and curves. Here are some examples of polygons. Let us have the different parts of a polygon. We have the sides, line segment AB, line segment BC, line segment CD, line segment DE, and line segment AE. Next, we have the vertices. We have vertex A, B, C, D, and E. And then we have the angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, and angle E. Now, how do we name a polygon? In naming a polygon, it should be clockwise or counterclockwise. Example, we have this polygon with vertices A, B, C, D, and E. If we will be naming the same polygon counterclockwise, we'll have polygon A, B, C, D, E, or polygon B, C, D, E, A, or polygon C, D, E, A, B. Now, if we will name the same polygon clockwise, we will have polygon AE, DCB, or polygon EDCBA, or polygon DCBAE. Here are some of the polygons that we are familiar with. We have the triangles. Triangles has 3 sides and 3 angles. Quadrilaterals, like the parallelogram, the square, or the rectangle, it has 4 sides and 4 angles. We have the pentagon that has 5 sides and 5 angles. We have the hexagon with 6 sides. And the octagon with 8 sides. We name the polygon based on the number of its sides and angles. But for polygons with 13 or more sides, it is okay and easier to write 13 gon, 14 gon, 100 gon, and so on. Let us now have the convexity and diagonals of a polygon. Let's have the convex and concave. In the convex polygon, all interior angles are less than 180 degrees. All diagonals of a convex polygon are always inside the polygon. In a concave polygon, at least one interior angle is greater than 180 degrees. The diagonal lies outside the polygon. Let us now proceed to the different types of polygon. First, we have the equilateral polygon. An equilateral polygon is a polygon whose sides are all congruent. Equiangular polygon. An equiangular polygon is a polygon whose interior angles are all congruent. Next, we have the regular polygon. If the polygon is both equilateral and equiangular, then it is a regular polygon.
Maraming salamat muli sa inyong panonood. Huwag kalimutang mag-iwan ng tanong sa aming comment box kung may mga bagay na hindi malinaw sa ating aralin. O kaya naman ay magpadala ng mensahe sa inyong mga guro sa matematika. Muli, ako si Teacher Jen ng HHIS Integrated School. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli!
That's all for today. Para mas madaling Math-tuto, like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching!